Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic the program manager. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in program management or project management and you want to learn about it. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, program manager, that means a person who is managing a program. In terms of project management, when we talk about program, basically we are talking about multiple projects which are strategically coordinated and linked with each other. For example, you are launching a program for to increase your customer base. For that person, you will launch a mobile application, web application, and you will also launch a campaign on the social media as well, for example. So this is basically, we can say, as a program where multiple projects will be executing to get your objective and to align your strategy. So a program manager is a person who basically oversee and coordinate various projects, products, and strategic initiatives. So that is called as the person called as the program manager. Now the role of a program manager is to coordinate multiple projects. Here remember that program manager is a person who is managing multiple projects. He also provides the strategic guidance to the project managers. Project manager always reports to program manager. Hierarchically, program manager is above than project manager. Program manager also facilitating communication among projects, programs, cross-functional teams. For example, in terms of software management, we talk about there are multiple divisions, like for example database, deployment team, business planning, the QA team, etc. So cross-functional team management, facilitation among cross-functional team is also the responsibility of the program manager's role. The task which he performs, first one is the program management review throughout the project program lifecycle. Like he will be reviewing that how the programs is going. Program means that how multiple projects are going. He basically overseeing and coordinating the program lifecycle as well. Program governance is also the responsibility of program manager. That means he is basically controlling the program. Controlling means that controlling the timeline, controlling the cost, controlling the resources. That means project program execution basically. Also, he basically oversee the monitoring the progress of a program as well. That, for example, if 5 projects are going in a program, so either they are completing on time, either they are completing under the project or not. Also, the budget management, like the cost required to complete a project, is also basically managed by the program manager. Managing the risk and issues and take corrective measurements wherever it is necessary. Also coordinating the projects and their interdependencies. What are, for example, project A is interdependent on project B, project B is interdependent on project C. For example, when the task for project A will complete, only then the task of project B will start, for example. So all those types of interdependencies will be managed by the program manager. He also managing the resources required for a project. Resources means the human resources, hardware resources, software resources. So all these types of resources will be managed by the program manager. Stakeholder communication is also very important. That means he will be managing that steering committee meetings, the conference calls, meetings, agenda points, a discussion with the CEO, CTO, etc. So managing the communication are different among the different stakeholder, either internally with the organization or outside the organization, is basically managed by the program manager. He is basically aligning the deliverables to the program's outcome. That means the whatever your strategy, the outcome of the project should be aligned with the deliverables, with the strategy of the program. Also, he will be managing the program documents. Program document means the scope document, risk register, lesson learned documents, other documents, like for example the communication plan. So all those contracts, especially the contract with the vendors, performance reviews. So all those types of documents which belongs to program is basically managed by the program manager as well. The skills required for program manager, first one is he should have a very good knowledge about project management. Why? Basically, see friend, program manager is a person, very senior person who is managing multiple projects. So being a program manager, you should have a very good concepts and knowledge and practical knowledge about project management, because program manager is a senior person in a project management role. Then he should have broader knowledge about project management methodologies like waterfall methodology, Scrum, Agile, Lean, Kanban, etc. So many methodologies are there. So he should have a very good knowledge about program management methodologies, and which methodology will be implemented where, and what are the pros and cons of methodologies. He should have to be a very clear mind about it. Then he should be know how he should have an understanding that what are the objectives of the program, like what value they want, company or organization want to get from the execution of a program. For example, organization is executing a program so that their customer base will increase, or the revenue will increase, or customer satisfaction will increase. So whatever the objective or organization strategy, like you must have, program manager should be aligned and should have knowledge about it, so that they can align the program execution as well. He should have the ability to work with a wide range of individuals, because being a program manager you have to interact with the business team, with the consultants, with the execution team, with the for example software development team, QA team, deployment team, business team, etc. So being a program manager you have to interact with multiple stakeholder, multiple people actually, and your interpersonal skills should be excellent in that. Program manager is basically a leadership role. A leadership role means that he will be leading the team towards the achieving of some objective of the program. So the vision should be very clear, the objective should be very clear, and the leadership skills of a program manager should be excellent in that case. He should have very good skills about budgeting, the cost required to complete a project, and the resource allocation and resource utilization. Resource here means the human resources, for example software developer, software engineer, or if you talk about any other resources, human resources are there, the software resources, hardware resources, and not only the utilization, also the allocation, where for example 5 resources are required in project A, 3 resources are required in project B, and 2 resources are required in project C. So resource utilization, resource allocation, and budgeting skills are very important skill for a program manager. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.